Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this amazing gift together, so let's go ahead and unbox it. While I'm unboxing guys, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know your meeting, where in the world are you tuning in from, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. So guys, while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself real quick. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, you know now, it's all about how to make money, yes, and become the best version of yourself. You know what time it is on this channel. So yes guys, go ahead and introduce yourselves while I also introduce, go ahead and introduce yourselves while I've also introduced myself already. So yes, come with me guys, let's go. Let's go. So guys, I am trying to open up this package. So yes, let me know in the comments, have you seen my previous videos? You know, let's have a chit chat in the comments. How are you feeling right now? What time of the day is it right now that you're watching this video? So yes, besties, I'm so excited to check out what we have in here this evening. It's actually evening here at the time we're recording this video. So guys, wow, I'm excited. Okay, first layer off, let's go to the second layer. Let's go to the second layer, guys. Woo, I am excited, guys. Are you for real? Okay, guys, I am so excited to check out what we have in here tonight. Okay, guys, wow, for real. Hey, you see? So guys, let us go ahead and find out what we have in here. All right, so guys, wow, this, as a matter of fact, I used my very first glasses, yes, medicated glasses that I wear is Bulgari, yes. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox it together. Come with me, let's go. Okay, oh yeah, it's always been like this, besties. I'm excited. Okay. Oh, bush girl. Not me. Okay, let me see. Oh, I'm supposed to push it. Bush girl, for real. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm excited. Are you excited as I am? Okay guys, I'm actually a bush girl. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh, okay. Still has some layers in there. Okay. I can feel it. Okay. I can feel it. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Guys, let's unbox it together. So let's have that feeling together. No, you're not gonna see my feeling. So I have to face you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it together. 3, 2, 1. I'm seeing it for the first time. As you can see, we just opened it together. Okay, 3. I can feel the leather. Smooth skin. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm... First thing I want to do, I want to take off the... Yes, take off the seal. Okay, guys. Ooh, I love it already. Are you for real? And then we have the handle. Wow, this is exquisite. Girl, for real. Okay, so I'm gonna peel off this. Yay, guys, I am so loving it. Are you for real? I'll sing. Oh, and guys, don't sleep on it. As in G muscle. So let's go ahead and take this out. Wow, guys, I'm gonna open the interior for you guys. Where's the scissors? Okay, guys. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open the. Oh, no, I think I can just pull this off. Okay, so when we get to this part, then I can. Hey, Mariah, don't go and cut the strap. Oh. Hey, wow. I'm gonna cut the strap. Oh. I almost did. As a matter of fact, guys, no now. Are you saying what I'm saying? Hey, are you just saying what I'm saying? Let me show you well. Guys, are you seeing? Guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you seeing what I'm saying? I'm saying. And I can decide to carry it like this. You know now. You know now. Guys, can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. Oh, I love the exterior. It is beautiful. Pure leather. It is looking like a 10 over 10 plus 10. And this is what the interior looks like. This, you know, right here. And it has a small, tiny space in here, right? You guys can see. Let me show you, right? So you see, this is it. It has a little mini compartment here and a main purse here. You know, yeah, you can take a book, you can take your phone and your, you know, other valuables. So guys, this is it all. This is it all. And your purse is ready. That's saying. See now. Just so besties, I will put the link to purchase this is also in my description and in the comments. Yes, I pinned it in the comments as well, so go ahead and start shopping, guys. Tell me what you see when you see this purse. Tell me what you see. It's your girl Maria signing off, and of course I'll see you guys in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I am super duper proud of you. Alright, take care guys and go to exploits, and of course I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care guys and bye for now. Love you. Go purchase. Use my link to purchase yours in the comments. So don't no sleep on it. Alright guys, take care. Bye.